Alright, just so you know that you're watching the right video, this is my masterpiece in the making. Man, I tell you what, I got crap everywhere. I've got 10 different projects going on. But to get to it here, what you're looking at, this is an FSJ cruiser mirror. We're going to throw this thing on a full-size Jeep Grand Wagoneer. And where you're going to want to start is right here. And you're going to want to disassemble this lower rubber and all that stuff off this lower mechanism here, and then you're going to separate the lower from the upper. And then once you get all that done, you're going to end up with taking all the guts out of this thing. And this kind of fits in here like this. You've got a motor here, and then this goes down here like this. Sorry, I don't know what I was videoing, what y'all were looking at. Sorry. And then this is the other piece that fits in here. And one of the tricky things that you're going to have to do here is getting this guy off. And there's a spring. Sorry, this is a little tricky with one hand. There's a spring, and let's see, this is locked down on here, and when this is all together, you got to here, let me just throw it together real quick. Hang on, that'll make it a little easier to explain. Okay, so this is on here like this, and I'll kind of zoom in so you can see. But you need to get a pair of dikes, angle cutters, and push this down with a screwdriver. And then while you got that pushed down, you'll get you a pair of blue dikes made by Klein. That's the ones I use. And then it's got that hardened steel on it, so it'll clip this thing in half real good. And then all this crap just will eventually just pull out of there. But once you get everything out, one of the other issues is when and I got this part here from BJ's Off-Road, and one of the issues that you run into is when this thing fits inside here, this guy doesn't want to go, sorry for the shaky video, this doesn't want to go all the way up into this hole here. I've got it fixed now. See if I can't get this in here with one hand. Nope, I can't do it with one hand. So, let's see if I can't get it out of here. Sorry for the shaky video. But anyways, this goes in here like this, and it will actually bottom out. But to do that, there's some little teeth, little cams that are right here. And you got to get you a Dremel tool and Dremel all that down, because if you don't, then it won't fit together properly. And the other trick here to doing this is getting a knife, and you kind of got to ream that edge out, because if you don't, then it hangs up, and you're going to wonder if you're doing it wrong or if you bought the wrong mirror. I got these mirrors off of Amazon. They're like 130 bucks. But I'll get this thing put together and show you what it looks like when it's all together. And see you on the next video.